Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 7th of January 2020 question number 23. If A vector is equal to alpha I cap plus 2 j cap plus beta k cap, A lies in the plane A vector and C vector. Vector B is equal to I cap plus j cap and vector C is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap of a bisector angle between B and C, then four options are given. This is the problem, the house of vector and bisectors. So first of all, plot down the figure. Now given B vector is equal to I cap plus j cap and vector C is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 4 cap, and A bisected angle between B and C. A is the bisector angle between B and C. So the figure becomes, it is vector C and it is vector B and vector C, and it is the bisector A. So angle bisector A is equal to, we know, lambda plus B cap C cap, that is equal to lambda into B cap is equal to I cap plus j cap divide root 2 plus this is I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap divide 4 square 1 square 4 square 16 1 that is equal to root over 18. Root over 18 means 3 root 2. So now lambda by 3 root 2 common, and it becomes 4 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. As A vector is given, that is alpha I cap plus 2 j cap plus beta k cap. So it is seen that lambda by 3 root 2 is obviously 1. So comparing these two vector A and vector A. So lambda is equal to 3 root 2. Now alpha now here 2 j cap and 2 j cap is common, so alpha I cap, alpha means 4 and beta means 4, and also alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to 4. Now the vector A becomes 3 root 2 means alpha lambda, that is it is becomes 4 I cap, it 1, so 4 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. So our vector A becomes this. But here is the question, no any other option A is present here. So what the question telling about? Here is a question. Is it the internal bisector or external bisector? It is not clear in the question. A bisector, only A. If it is internal bisector, then it is then A becomes this. Either it is external bisector, then other cases happen. Just like that. Again we plot down. This is B vector, this is C vector, and it is the external bisector A. It is the external bisector A. Now vector A becomes similarly lambda into B minus B cap minus C cap. Clear? If it is internal, then it becomes just like that. If it is external vector, then it is B cap minus C cap. So again putting the values, I cap plus j cap divide root 2 minus I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap divide 3 root 2. Now calculating this 2 once again, we get lambda divided by 3 root 2 is equal to 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. And once again it is given that multiplying every terms we get beta here 2 is the coefficient of j cap. Now j cap coefficient is 4 lambda divide 3 root 2, that is equal to 2. So here lambda becomes 3 root 2 divide 2. Now moving to the option 1 is equal to a vector cross k cap is equal to minus 2. Now option 1, a vector plus a vector dot k cap is equal to what? A vector means dot k cap means minus 4 lambda divide 3 root 2. 4 lambda, putting the 4 lambda by 3 root 2, putting the values of lambda minus 4 into 4 by 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 by 2, eliminated 3 root 2 and it becomes minus 2. So option 1 is our correct choice. A vector I k cap plus 2 is equal to 0 and it is option 1. So we reached. So option 1 is the correct choice. Here a question, it is not clear in the question as because it is seen that the A is only what J not clearly seen in the question, that A is what kind of bisector. So if clearly it is not told, then any other options are not correct, as because vector A is the bisector of the angle B or C, then we easily our first answer is always correct. But if we are if you think internally that it is external bisector, maybe it's external bisector, then the choice of 1 is the correct choice. That's all for today. If any question, any queries, then you should just comment me in the comment box.